Locations impacted include Cottonport, Bordelendale, Bayou Current, Monshire, Goodell. The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a tornado warning for South Central Acadia Parish in southwestern Louisiana, northwestern Vermilion Parish in southwestern Louisiana, until 6:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:11 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Klondike, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Wright and Gay Dawn around 6:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. Lions Point around 6:25 p.m. Central Standard Time. Kaplan around 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for